Okay, that's chicken soaking in buttermilk, and that's the chicken frying in the grease, olive oil, of course. And this is mozzarella with marinara sauce. Cheese, please. Cheese, please. And that's a chicken tender. And guess what we finna do? We gonna take this mozzarella sauce and top it right on top of that chicken. Yes, we are. We're gonna put it right. Cheese, please. Cheese, please. This is Home Cooking Done Roxy. Remember that breakfast pizza video? So we use those ingredients to make that marinara sauce, the leftover cheese. Yeah, that's me frying chicken. This is Home Cooking Done Roxy.